Yes, you can get thousands of views and still make no money. Here is why. You see, the first reason has to do with wrong audience location. Oh yes, you see, getting money on YouTube is tailored to where you get your audience from. And so if you happen to get your audience from wrong locations, trust me, you're not going to get money. And that is the reason small YouTubers, most of them are still broke, but they are getting a lot of views. They're having a lot of views, but they are still broke. Now, the first reason is what I've actually told you about: getting wrong audience. That is having your audience at a wrong location. For example, let's assume you are in a region where you speak English, but your videos are being promoted to people where they don't speak English, they don't understand in English. They are not going to actually be rolling with your video, and it's going to affect you a lot. Secondly, you see, the issue of CPM also has a major role to play. And so what I'm trying to say over here is that you should try your possible best to get people from the top countries to be watching your video, so your CPM and your RPM will be increasing for you. And with that, you're actually going to get a lot of monies on YouTube. The next reason why small YouTubers are still broke is long intros. Yes, long introduction of videos. You see, with this particular video you're watching now, I just started the video and that is it. I'm going straight away to let you know the reasons small YouTubers are still broke. But there are a number of you, whenever you're making a video, your intros are too long. You spend a lot of time giving intros in your videos. And you see, nowadays, people don't actually have time to be waiting, to be doing this or blah, blah, to be listening to that your lengthy introduction. By the time you finish your intro with, let's say, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, people might have actually gone. And so the advice here is that be able to utilize the first 30 seconds so that you can grab the attention of your viewers within that particular period. If you're able to get the people's attention within that particular period, trust me, you're going to get a lot of people to actually have interest in your video and be watching your video consistently, therefore triggering the YouTube algorithm to be recommending your video to a larger audience. That is it. That's very, very important. The next thing I'm talking about that makes small YouTubers always getting broke is that small YouTubers do not get time to brand themselves. Yes, that is to talk about branding. You see, YouTube is all about branding yourself to be able to let people know what you're actually into, what your video is all about. Let people have something that they can tag you with. You understand? A lot of people are on YouTube making a whole lot of videos, but even if you ask them what kind of videos do you make, they may not be able to even themselves to let you know the kind of videos they are making, how much more their viewers. And so that is also another major problem. You see, the big YouTubers are out there. When you mention their names, you mention Mr. Beast's name, you mention with the Myers name, you mention any other, you mention their name, you're actually going to have something in mind. But the question I'm throwing to you is that when someone mentions your YouTube channel's name, is there something that crops in their mind? If there's nothing that crops in their mind, that means you've not branded yourself so well. And that is the reason you are not making enough money and you are not also progressing on YouTube. So it is time for you to change your style. It is time for you to change yourself. It is time for you to actually change the way you approach things. Be able to brand yourself well. Let people know you with something in mind, with a certain keyword, certain adjective. And with that, it's actually going to transform into the monies that you get from time to time. But the question I'm asking you here is that, let me see at the comment section, what is your niche? Let me know the number of you guys who will be able to let me know their clear niche. Let me know if you yourself, you know the niche you find yourself in. Just type it at the comment section. And don't forget, add your location to it, where you're watching this particular video. Add it to it, and it's going to help a lot. And lastly, small YouTubers do not engage their audience, therefore dragging their channel to the drains, yes, to the gutters. You see, be able to attend to your audience, responding to their chats, responding to their comments, responding to their replies, triggers the YouTube algorithm to be recommending your videos to the larger audience. And so if you're not able to respond to your viewers' comments, their replies and all that, you see, there's nothing that's going to trigger the YouTube algorithm to recommend your videos to the larger audience. Oh yes. And so as you keep making videos, get time, respond to the comments. Some of your viewers will be asking questions, respond to that, attend to them. And as you keep doing that and the engagement keep increasing daily and day in, day out, trust me, you're going to see massive improvement, massive recommendation from YouTube, and you're going to see your channel growing from small to the biggest channel you've ever dreamt of. Therefore, going to help you get the revenue that you've been waiting and wishing to get. So that is it. If you found this particular video so useful, please do well to kindly share this video to help another small YouTuber out there, because small YouTubers are really suffering. There are a number of videos coming your way, powerful ones to help you grow your YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button to be part of this family as I continue to give you powerful tips like this to also grow your YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Do have a wonderful day. But how do you see the environment? Check it out. How do you see the environment? We shall talk about it some other time.